Hi folks, Anders here, and welcome to the very first review on Darkslide Does Gaming. Now, I'll be doing quite a lot of different reviews of tech stuff, gaming stuff, all sorts of things. And today we are looking at mouse mats. Now, the PC setup that I've got, you'll be following like the build videos I've been doing of the PC room, computer room, gaming room, etc. is looking awesome, and I'm really loving it so far. I have the mouse mat that I picked up a few weeks ago, which is a Razer Chroma Rgb, this little one here. It's very nice, and you can program it and do all the wonderful stuff, which I've never bothered to actually do. And it's a nice mouse mat, it's a nice feel to it, it's really good. Now the issue is, I am a lefty, which means I use my mouse left-handed. My son, when he comes home and will be using this room, is a righty, so he uses his mouse right-handed. It's lefty me, righty me. Anyway, right, so the issue that I have, I will show you here, is, so there is mouse mat, and there is keyboard, because if I want to use the keyboard, like so, yeah, and if I have it off the mouse mat like that, it's a bit too far over from where I sit. Not ideal. No, not ideal at all. So, I was looking around on Amazon, etc. And I will say, full disclosure, I didn't pay full price for this mouse mat. Ooh, you've gone. Yep. No, I didn't pay full price for this mouse mat. I did get it half price. It's not anything to do with reviews and stuff like that. It's not a sponsored post. It's just my honest opinion. Again, there's one website that I use, and they do a lot of discount codes for Amazon stuff, which is really good, and you get a lot of half price vouchers, and that's what it was on. So this is what I've picked up. This cost me, it should have been £19, and I got this for I think £7, and it is this. It is an LED light mouse pad. Now this is massive. It is, you see there, 780 by 300mm. It's an RGB light up one. I think it's USB powered. This says it's a Montaigne LED 01. I bought it as a Tronsmart one, 10 RGB lighting modes, etc, etc, etc. So we're going to open it up and we're going to actually stick it on the desk and see how it fits. So let's do this. There we go. Right. So there we have USB cable. So it is, you see, it is a micro USB powered, which the Razer one is just, yeah. And here we are. Smells. Doesn't smell bad. It smells rubbery, which, you know, if you're into that, fair enough. But it is big. Oh my. That's back. It is very big. Oh my. It's very generic. It literally just says on there, what, LED light mouse pad. Wow, good branding there. And on the back it says, instruction to change colour using mouse pad control unit. On off, select start colour. Start is red colour. With each press, the light colour will change to follows: red, green, blue, purple, cyan, yellow, white. 8 multi-colours, multi-fast, multi-slow. Colour all finger. When you press for 3 seconds, the light will turn off, and it has memory. Okay, right, so it will remember it. Now, yes, the Razer one that I've got is awesome, don't get me wrong, and you can program it, and I mean I could if I really wanted to, but you know, it's effort, let's face it. So, I'm going to move off the Razer one, chuck it out the way, yeet this box out the way, and we'll see what it looks like. So if you just bear with me a second, just moving everything out the way, moving the little keyboard, don't want to spill my coffee, because coffee is love, coffee is life, and so it'll go that way with the thing on that side. It's fit. Oh. Okay, and move the keyboard up here. How we doing? You good? You happy? Yeah, it's all happy, wonderful. And okay. Let's get that there. And and that. Do you know what? It's not sitting quite flat at the moment. I think it's because it's been rolled up. Ooh, that's not bad. Right, let's plug it in and see what it looks like. At the moment, it's not plugged in, but it's just a bit rolled. I'll show you in a second. Just bear with. I'm just opening the cable. Let's stick this on. USB under here. And I'll wire up the cable properly because you don't need to at the moment, and stick it up. Then ooh, it's blue. Now I lied, it said it was red to start with. Okay, so let's have a look. See, let's move Mr. Razer out of the way. Can I turn you off from the thing? No, Razer is all the way off. Okay, so I need a better tripod from here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice. So if we press the mode button, focus, focus, focus. We got pink. We get a blue. We get a yellow. We get white. We got a red. Oh, so that's a colour cycling one. Okay, so there we go. Now, if I turn the big light off. Focus, focus, focus. Come on. You know you want to. Doesn't like low light, this camera. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's like a. Oh no, I don't like that. That's like a flashy. I don't want a flashy. We've got a fade. So after white it will glow. So that should be a nice natural glowing colour. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Like I say, it's a bit... Yeah, I think it'll flatten it, but it's been rolled up for a while, to be fair. Do you know what? That... Let's put the actual light back on. That is quite nice. I do like that. Yes. Cool. Let's put the mouse back on so the mouse feels mousy, you know. Mousy, it works, functions, look, zoomy, zoomy, zoom. I'm loving this mouse, by the way. This is the Rocat one that I picked up off Spock again for £5. It's little, but it's nice for my hand because of my left, it works really nice. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, there's that one. The Razer one is brighter, but, you know, that's a decent size. It means I can have the keyboard and mouse all on there as well. I might move it over a bit that way as well, and then move the keyboard over that way. Yeah, so there you go. So what I'll do is I'll post a link below this to the Amazon link for it, where you can purchase it off Amazon. Full disclaimer, I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do make the purchase, you know, I get a commission based off it. It literally is a couple of pence, but everything helps when you're a YouTuber, right? And you know, you're doing your thing. So, yeah, so it will be an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra whatsoever. It's just that if you buy through me, then it just, you know, helps out a little bit. And little things like that can add up, and you know, hopefully will help to improve the channel and allow me to buy more stuff as well. But yeah, so what I'll do, I'll post the link below. But yeah, if you want to have a quick search for anyway, search for Tronsmart Rgb soft gaming mouse. It's currently $18.99. It's available through Prime. It's like 2-day delivery at the moment, but it depends on where you are. It might be quicker. The only difference is on the picture on Amazon for some reason. It's got a black cable and mine came with a white cable, which, to be fair, I may change it to a black cable because I don't like white. Anyway, well, that's it. We have been recording for 8 minutes, and that's been a short and sweet review. I mean, I can read you all the technical specifications, and I can read you all the wonderful English on here, so let's go. 7 colour dazzle colour conversion. 7 colour dazzle colour conversion. USB security interface. Security. RGB colour switching, that makes sense. Environmental waterproof fabric. Good. For all those spillages and, you know, if you're a teen. Natural foaming rubber. Just foam rubber. And long service life. I mean, come on. The control panel uses Android port. Voltage, current, 12-volt current, 0 to 20, power, blah, blah, blah. LED lifespan is 30,000 hours. The press button is 100,000 time. Wow. English instructions. The button control light mode. The default is red. When you press, the light will change. The colour is red. Blah, blah, blah. Also, it has memory. Seriously. says it there, so it must be true. It has memory. Yeet. Right, that's it. I've talked for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informative to you. But if you do want a budget mouse mat, you don't want to spend all that fortune on your Razer or your Corsairs or, you know, Rocat or whatever, because, I mean, yeah, I know they are brands, and yes, they're better theoretically, but if you want something relatively cheap and you're on a budget like me, for this, for $18.99 full price, or if you go on certain websites like VIPON.com, I'm not going to say the name just in case, then yeah, you can go on there, they do discount codes, you can get smaller ones, you can get bigger ones and whatever, and that's it. Right, thanks for watching, hope it's been informative. If you like this video, leave a like, thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe please. I've only got like 3 subscribers so far, even though I've only launched the channel yesterday, so yeah, thanks it, and forgot the word. Alright, see you in the next one guys, take it easy, hope you enjoyed this.